There's an extra secret spot in here. I'm going to show you now. Hi guys, I'm Bridget. Today I'm going to unbox the Hatchimals Collectibles Secret Scene Crystal Canyon. Here's the front of the box, side of the box, other side of the box, back of the box. Let's open it up. That's so cool. When you pull the front jewel down, there's a merry-go-round inside, and the telescope will pop up automatically. Now see a Hatchimal picture. When you look through the top of the telescope, you see Hatchimal pictures inside. It's really cool. Now let's find our Hatchimal. Let's open the side panels. Whoa, so cool. Here's our cute little Hatchimal. He's tied up in here. He's glittery. Here's our Hatchimal that we found inside. He's so cute and glittery and I love it. I wanted this one. Put him on the swing. Dang. So cute. With this set, you only get one exclusive Hatchimal, not two. Only one. This is the one I wanted. He's so adorable, see? It holds and displays 15 Hatchimals. I'm going to get my Hatchimals and show you how to display them. 3, 2, 1, and we're back. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you all the different features. This is a little swing. And moving up here, there's a little nest around here. And there's 2 spots to hold your Hatchimals in there. These 2 Hatchimals are in crystal nests. I really like the crystals, see? They're nice and green and shiny. And at the top here, I pretend it's another little nice view up here for Hatchimals to see where their home is. So all the Hatchimals can see, and the walrus is up there. This is the dance floor where all of the little Hatchimals are on. You can hold 5 Hatchimals on the dance floor. And this is a merry-go-round that spins around and around and around and around. It's so fun to play with. And you can turn it from here, and you can fit 3 Hatchimals in the merry-go-round. Oof. This is a little cute nest at the top. And here is a slide. The octopus is down here. And do you know why I put the bee there? Because he's going to slide down and bump into him. Like, ouchies. Yeah, I'll show you. There's a swing on this side. It doesn't really swing really good, see? But it's kind of good. There's an extra secret spot in here. I'm going to show you now. Get out of the way. See? He fell down. See? And I made that the bedroom for Hatchimals. This is how you close the door in the bedroom. Blah. See? And he fell down. That's why I put him near the door so he can lay down when I smash it. Now time to play with the Hatchimals. See? All my Hatchimals are having fun. Yeah. This is how you close it. You can also look through the top for a really cool Hatchimal picture. Whoa, that's amazing. The Hatchimal that I wanted was in here, and the blue fox. If you hold it up to a light, you can see the picture even better, but it hurts your eye. Ouch. This set costs $29.99 Canadian. It's totally worth it. 'Cause I love it a lot. So buy it for your kids. It's a really cool set. It's a great birthday present. I will give it a 10 out of 10. It only comes with one Hatchimal, so you have to buy the other Hatchimal separate. I was able to put 18 Hatchimals on here, but the box says it holds 15. That's good. I hope you enjoyed my Hatchimal unboxing review. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome cool videos, yo. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite Hatchimal toy is. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @3sisters_sister_squad. And the message of the day is #never give up. Because you can do it if you try. And if you lose a toy, you never give up and find it again. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. We love you. Have a Hatchimal day. And play with all your Hatchimals right now.